Ash old Mudflap, I'm pretty sore right about now, and it ain't from hurting myself. I'm sore mad 'cause I've been sitting there since yesterday trying to get unloaded, and these folks just taking their sweet time. These old union fellers, they feel like they can just take their time, and that time ain't money for you, but it is for them. If I was 5 minutes late on this load, they'd have a fit. Once you get to 4 hours late on this here load, it'll be $10,000, and then they reschedule you for the next day, and you gotta pay that 10 grand. Ain't fair to the driver, but that's the price you pay and things you gotta deal with as a truck driver. But I ain't happy right now, and I'm pretty mad, but they ain't even started, but got about 2 beam off of me right now. So I just gotta hold my cool, and I'm gonna twist somebody's cap if they don't get moving over here, 'cause, old Mudflap, I'm a pretty patient man, but, after a while, gratis only goes so far. And I'm using them big words. I haven't got that thesaurus out and started trying to talk a little better, 'cause I had some folks, to say out the country, I just make up words as I go, so I'm trying to do better and read that thesaurus and learn some newfangled words that I ain't heard before. Anyway, not to waste your time for all that crap, but we gonna get out of here soon. It's Friday evening, and they still have me up here. Somebody's gonna pay, and that's something that comes along trucking. Somebody's gonna pay. Old Mudflap's gonna go so far. And if y'all see me like this, I'm a nice man, but you can only do something so long. So, any rate, I'll be back at you. Bye.